Hello, loyal listeners, and welcome back. It's been a while. It's good to be talking with you again. If you've been wondering where I've been and what I've been up to, well, you're about to see and you're about to hear. You're also probably wondering what I'm doing here on this day and at this time. Well, sometimes stepping back is the best way to move forward with clarity and with purpose. This channel has always been about two things, learning and listening. And through my interviews, you've heard inspirational stories and insightful conversations that challenge, that uplift, that inspire. Now, after a much needed hiatus, I'm thrilled to say I'm coming back with intention. This week marks the official launch of my educational series focusing on topics on the Caribbean curriculum. Through these monthly educational tutorials dropping on Saturday mornings, I hope to share ideas that make things more accessible and more tailored to our students. This brand new tutorial episode that you're about to see very simply introduces pronouns and was inspired by one of my nieces' question from school about being introduced to this topic for the first time and learning about pronouns. Don't worry, we will still be having our interview segments and informational segments that will continue this month with the launch of season 7. So you can still expect bold conversations, fresh voices, and stories that speak to the heart of transformation and resilience. So whether you're here to learn something new or to hear a story that shifts your perspective, this channel is still your space. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Lana the Educator, and today we're diving into a topic that's essential for anyone mastering the English language, and that topic is pronouns. Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns. They are very useful because they help us avoid repetition and make our sentences more interesting. Let's break down the different types of pronouns that you need to know. First, we have personal pronouns like they, I, you, we, she, it. For example, instead of saying, or Jabari likes Jabari's new book, we can say Jabari likes his new book. His is a pronoun replacing Jabari. Easy, right? Next, we have possessive pronouns. These show ownership or possession, like mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. For instance, we might say, that book is mine. That tells you that the book belongs to me. Here's another one. We can say, is this your pencil? No, it's hers. The word hers shows who owns the pencil. Next, we have reflexive pronouns. These are used when the subject and the object of the sentence are the same. So let's do a quick review. Subject refers to the person, place, or thing or idea that is being spoken about. The object refers to the person, place, thing, or idea that is receiving the action. So we might say, the cat chased the mouse. In this instance, the cat is the subject of the sentence because it is the thing that is performing the action. In the same sentence, the cat chased the mouse. Mouse is the object because it is the thing that is receiving the action.
let's move on. Imagine saying, I taught myself to play the guitar. The reflexive pronoun is the next type of pronoun we'll be looking at. This pronoun shows that the action of teaching and the person who are learning are the same. So examples of reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, and themselves. These are examples. Now, our next type of pronoun. Now we might say, this is my favorite book. This, that, these, and those, they point to specific things, like this is my favorite book, or those are the shoes I want. These are called demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, and those help us to specify which items we're talking about by making our communication clear. So we might say, this, as I said, is my favorite book. In the sentence, this is the demonstrative pronoun. And then we might have, those are the shoes I want. Here, they are specifying which items we're talking about, which helps to make communication clearer. Next, we have interrogative pronouns. These pronouns are used to ask questions, and they include who, whom, whose, which, and what. For example, we might ask, who is coming to the party? Or, which book do you recommend? Next type of pronoun we look at is the indefinite pronouns. These refer to non-specific items or people such as anyone, everyone, someone, nobody, everything, and something. Indefinite pronouns are great for general statements or when you don't know exactly who or what you're talking about. For example, we might say, someone left their bag here, or everything is ready for the party. The words someone and everything help us to make a general statement when we don't know exactly who or what we are talking about. These are the pronouns that help us in everyday life. They come in many forms: personal, possessive, reflexive, demonstrative, interrogative, and indefinite. They make our language more efficient and less repetitive. Practice using them, and you'll become a pronoun pro in no time. Thank you for listening to Lana the Educator. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, leave a comment below with your favorite type of pronoun or your favorite sentence using one. Remember, you empower minds and you ignite curiosity.